girl is nursing serious burn injuries after she stepped on a ground that was in contact with live high-voltage electricity cables while trying to save a goat in Chemolingot in Baringo County. Now, the family of the grade 2 pupil is being faced with a huge hospital bill as a girl who has been admitted at the Nakuru Level 5 hospital for 5 months now is expected to undergo further reconstructive surgeries to cover her exposed scalp. And as NTV's Ruth Sarmoi Chesenge reports, efforts to secure help from the Kenya Power Company have hit a wall.
On April 28, 2024, 10-year-old Sharon Kalalwa narrowly escaped death while attempting to rescue a trapped goat. In an act of bravery, Sharon unknowingly came into contact with a live electric current from fallen high-voltage power cables.
Sasa ameenda kuona nini ameua hii mbuzi. Akataka kushika hiyo mbuzi, stima akarusha. Ni paisa 3. Hii mtoto alichomeka. Akakaa stima mpaka saa 6. Paka mtu yakaja pa amekuja kutoa kwa moto. Ni watu wameokopa kutoa kwa moto.
3 hours after the incident, help arrived and the grade 2 pupil was taken to Chemolingot for treatment and later transferred to the Nakuru Level 5 hospital. Her mother followed her the next morning.
Afika amba amekaa siku 2-3 na kaanza kumpuka. Akaambia mama najua mimi
For over 5 months now, a team of doctors, nurses and specialists have been working round the clock to see her condition improve. This is despite the severe burn injuries she sustained in her head, back and legs.
Niungua miguu yote na mkongo na kichwa.
Life has turned upside down for this 10-year-old and her mother's world is spinning too fast. The mother of 4 has remained by her daughter's bedside since the incident, leaving Sharon's 3 other siblings under the care of relatives.
Sasa iko na watatu nyumbani sai. Na hata juu ya suja, hata saa juu ya kuacha mnaacha peke yao na hakuna baba. Ni mimi ni baba ni mama. Kutoka hiyo siku mpaka saa juu nakula nini? Sijui nalala aje. Sababu huyu hawezi kutoka hapa.
Nurses have been cleaning Sharon's wounds every 4 days. She is due for another surgery next week.
The patient was done grafting, which was successful, and next week the patient is scheduled for titanium mesh to seal the scalp.
Sharon's mother laments that efforts to get support from the Kenya Power Company has been an exercise in futility.
Kutoka hiyo siku watu wa Kenya Power amenyamaza mpaka saa hii. Iko siku ngine madaktari anataka pesa ya ataka kutengeneza kichwa. Akapigia simu. Akasema mama hakuna pesa saa hii. Na ngoja mtoto mpaka apone. Sasa hata akipigia simu saa hii na antikia mission anaongea mbaya sana.
Samuel Boigor, the Baringo County Business Manager for Kenya Power, confirmed that an investigation into the issue had been conducted and a report submitted to the company's Safety, Security and Insurance Department for further action.
What usually happens, we visit affairs and then do an incident report. So what we expect is now maybe if once a child is out of hospital, we now engage with our insurance. Why we are saying like so? Because some things can happen. Some cases are an injury and then sometimes they change it to a fatality or something like that.
Though the family is unable to foot the current hospital bill, Boigor states that the Kenya Power Company only compensates victims after full recovery. Ruth Sarmoi Chesenge, NTV.